Welcome to this X8R video demonstrating how to install our glove box hinge brackets. This enables you to repair your glove box lid. You can see here the brackets, which tend to break. Using a flat blade screwdriver or a chisel, knock out the pins that hold the hinges to the glove box. Repeat again for the other side. Using superglue, glue the hinges back to the glove box lid. This will help you on the next stage. The glue will allow you to temporarily refit the hinge to where it snapped off the glove box lid. The glue will not actually retain this, our bracket will do that. This just allows you to align it correctly. With the hinges glued back to the lid, offer up the new bracket. Align the bracket so you're happy and using a drill, drill a pilot hole. With the pilot hole drilled, offer up the bracket again and screw into place, making sure that you use all 4 screws on each bracket. With both brackets back on, slot the glove box lid back into the glove box. Using the new pins supplied in the kit, slot the pins back in, making sure they are aligned correctly. Once you are happy they are aligned correctly, tap the pins back in. You can see here that the glove box is successfully repaired and is back to full function. Thank you for watching this X8R video. If you have any questions, you can contact us on 01843 446643 or you can email us at sales@x8r.co.uk. Thank you.